My name is Tyler Richards. I'm one of the co-founders of Difuon. Difuon is decentralizing the cloud. What we are trying to do is we are trying to build a fog network. A lot of people have not heard the terminology the fog before. The fog is basically the cloud. The cloud, if you think about the cloud is up here. A lot of people are familiar with the cloud. The fog is down low and dispersed. The fog is basically everything that's not within cloud infrastructure. So personal laptops and desktops and phones and IoT devices, those are all considered the edge or the fog in computation. So what we're trying to do is build a decentralized fogging network where basically anybody can join it with their own personal devices like these things right here, a laptop, a desktop, any kind of computer or device, and sign up and be part of our network, and then we get enterprise clients and organizations that need computation to buy those resources from our network. But what we have noticed is that within our validation of Difuon is that a lot of people don't want random jobs being assigned to their personal devices. For me, for example, I use this thing every day, all day. I'm on it 24/7, and so I don't want random jobs being assigned to my computer and taking over to my my compute resources or my storage capacity at random times during the day. So, and a lot of other people feel that way as well. So what Difuon is actually trying to do to build out a fog network of computation and storage in the fog, a decentralized network, what we're trying to do is we're actually trying to get the average consumer to participate by having disposable computing devices. This one is actually called an Odroid. I don't know, a lot of people are familiar with Raspberry Pi-like devices. They're credit card-sized computers that are very efficient, capable, and actually low cost. Like this Odroid device costs about 40 or 50 bucks literally off the shelf. And what Difuon is doing, we would be preloading our software onto this device and shipping it out to users that then can commit these resources to our network. So they plug it into internet or they plug it into power, and then what they would do is they sign up for an account on our Difuon network, and now this device is able to take compute jobs. So basically the user who has and owns this box would be able to get checks every month. You put 1, 5, or 10 of these things into your closet in your house, and you'll be getting checks every single month for the compute jobs that we're assigning to it. Difuon software basically is artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and we have a federator that'll automatically assign all the jobs and work everything out. Literally the consumer just has to plug and play that box, and then they're participating in an awesome decentralized fog network that can basically be a source of income for them.
Are you guys, what stage are you guys in? Are you crowdfunding, ICO, or?
Yeah, so right now Difuon is in a private pre-sale. We've currently raised $3 million out of a minimum of $6 million that we're raising. So we're looking for, of course, investors and private resale investors that are interested in buying tokens at a discount. Our marketplace will interact with our token, so buyers and sellers within our marketplace of the computing resources will interact with that token. And right now we're looking to basically sell that at a discount to anybody who's interested in getting in early.
So are you guys ERC20 token?
It will. So Difuon actually has a dual token model where we have two types of token. Our first token will be a medium of exchange token that will be used within the platform and between the buyers and sellers. And the other token will actually be an appreciative token, or a token that will be able to appreciate over time, where our medium of exchange token is going to be more of a stable token. So we're going with a hybrid dual token model.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if they want to know more information, where can they find you?
They can go to Difuon.com, Difuon, Difuon.com. It's just our name. I know it's a weird one, but it's for diffuse trust. It's for privacy and security. Our whole mission is to basically decentralize the cloud, take down the centralized huge dogs, Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple, in a decentralized way through fog computing. It's more efficient. Fog computing over cloud, it's faster, it's cheaper, it's more efficient, and it's geographically concentrated in areas where the actual data is being created. So we feel that the fog is going to disrupt the cloud over time, and we want to be the decentralized solution for it.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.